Welcome! Today we'll explore statewide contracts, what they are, and how they make the procurement process more efficient and cost-effective for public buyers, and the opportunities they afford for businesses interested in working with the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Statewide contracts are established agreements that allow government entities to efficiently purchase a wide variety of goods and services from a pool of vendors who have been fully vetted by OSD, while ensuring compliance with regulations. But how do statewide contracts work, and why should public buyers use them? Let's find out. What are statewide contracts? Statewide contracts are pre-negotiated agreements established by the Operational Services Division, or OSD, to provide executive departments and eligible entities access to goods and services. These contracts help streamline the procurement process by eliminating the need for public organizations to conduct separate procurements. OSD has done this work for you. Statewide contracts address the broad need of public buyers, offering hundreds of thousands of products and services such as clothing and footwear, energy, utilities and fuel, facilities maintenance and repair, consulting services, office and educational supplies, and vehicles, to name a few. By leveraging these contracts, government agencies ensure they receive the best value for taxpayer dollars while adhering to state procurement laws. The benefits of becoming a statewide contract vendor are access to a large pool of public buyers from executive departments and other eligible entities. Training offered exclusively to awarded statewide contract vendors. A dedicated category management team assigned to each statewide contract. An invitation to attend the annual Mass Buys Expo, the largest business-to-government event in the Commonwealth. Why should you use a statewide contract? Here are the key benefits. Cost savings. Statewide contracts use the purchasing power of the Commonwealth to negotiate competitive pricing and valuable benefits such as extended warranties, return policies, and prompt payment discounts. Time efficiency. No need to draft and post solicitations, evaluate responses, and award vendors. The procurement process is completed, saving your organization valuable time. Wide selection of services. OSD offers more than 100 competitively procured and actively managed contracts across 19 product and service categories, with 1,700 plus awarded vendors. Risk reduction. Vendors are vetted, ensuring compliance with state regulations, proper licenses and/or certifications, and insurance, reducing procurement risks. Access to quality goods and services. Each statewide contract has a category management team available to answer questions and monitor vendor performance. Now that we understand the benefits, let's discuss how to use them. Visit our Contract User Guide page on mass.gov. Each statewide contract has a contract user guide that provides an overview of the products and services offered, awarded vendors, purchasing guidance, and contact information for the category management team. The Contract User Guide also provides links to the contract records, price files, and other documents stored in the Commonwealth's e-procurement platform, Combuys. Use the Contract User Guide to understand all negotiated benefits, discounts, contract exclusions, and return policies. Many contracts require or encourage buyers to request quotes from multiple vendors to ensure you're getting the best value, which goes beyond price. Fortunately, Contract User Guides provide quote guidance. Contact OSD's category managers if you have contract-specific questions, or call OSD's help desk at 888-627-8283 for general questions. By following these steps, you'll streamline your purchasing process while ensuring compliance with state regulations. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the value of statewide contracts.